There's Macy. Yesterday I caught Macy pushing an egg out of her nest and eating it. The egg was bloody, so that means it's fertile. So that gave us the idea to maybe try and put the eggs underneath an incubator, because she should have hatched her eggs by now. So she's been a really good mom so far. She's been really broody, but I just don't know why her eggs haven't hatched yet. I'm gonna leave her alone. And here's the finished product of the duck coop. And as you can see, Zach made a little handle out of the old ladder rung. And here's a latch to keep the door shut. And this will be for when the baby ducks hatch. That's just a little day enclosure, and they're going to be up in the coop at night. We still want to make it safe, so if the cats are interested, they don't get to the ducklings. So that's why Zach put more pieces of wood where the hinges are to kind of close up the gap. You can't see it right now, but down here, the chicken wire actually comes out about 6 inches from the actual coop. We had it go down, bend right where the rocks are, and then come out. And then we put sawdust on top, and then the rocks are more decorative, but they might also stop some predators. Like I said, this coop is mainly for day use. Now, here's some of the chicken wire. Because most animals will want to dig at the door, but not dig out, like out here. And also we put chicken wire along the edge, just as an extra protection. And we stapled the chicken wire and then put this lathe and screwed it, just to give some more longevity to the chicken wire. This chicken coop